Hi, I'm Dean from Bluestone. In this video about the Renting Homes Wales Act, we're going to look into notices and the termination of contracts in more detail. The new occupation contracts introduce new rules regarding notice periods and how contracts can be ended. Now, the notice period for no-fault notices has increased to 6 months under the new rules. So if you're thinking about letting your property for only a short period, you need to be a bit more cautious. You also need to be aware that you cannot give a no-fault notice until at least 6 months after the tenant moves in. Plus, a no-fault notice cannot be issued during a fixed-term contract. The periodic contract includes several terms defining various restrictions on a landlord being able to give a no-fault notice. All these terms effectively mean that if you have failed to comply with the regulations under the Renting Homes Wales Act, you will not be able to give a no-fault notice. For example, if you've not provided a written statement, or if you have not provided the contract holder with the required safety certificates. Both the fixed term and periodic contracts detail the circumstances under which possession notices can be given and possession claims made. A possession notice must specify one of the 4 grounds on which the landlord intends to make a possession claim. The grounds on which you can make possession claims are a breach of contract by the contract holder, a serious rent arrears, estate management grounds, and a contract holder's notice. Each ground is defined in the contracts, and each ground has different restrictions on making a possession claim. So you will need to check the relevant terms of the contract carefully if you need to make a possession claim. The key points to remember are that you must give at least 6 months notice for a no-fault notice, and this must be at least 6 months after the occupation date. You must ensure that you have complied with all the rules and regulations of the Renting Homes Wales Act and the fitness for human habitation regulations if you want to issue a notice and make a possession claim. And you must read the terms of the contracts carefully. If you have any questions or need any help whatsoever, please get in touch with us, and thank you for watching.